15 points.
Yeah.
And excellent job quarterbacking for his team. He pushed the ball very well, then he was able to give out 8 assists. That's what you want from your point guard.
Yeah. And, you know, he was there almost all night long, you know. Of course, he alternated with Willie Miller, but most of the time he was playing point guard para sa Alaska in this game. So, we've got 49.5 seconds left. And Barangay Ginebra up by 6, 93-87. Eric Mick at the line.
Nakaupo na sa kabila. Chris Alexander.
Medyo pa kuya-kuya-kuy na ron. Pa-relax-relax na.
That will not endear him to these Alaska players on the other side. Remember, these two teams, if kung Alaska ang matalo ngayon, kung makalusot sila sa wild card, ang makakalaban rin nila itong Barangay Ginebra in the quarterfinals.
Sila, sakasakala. Chris Alexander hauls down another rebound. Randy Holcomb, however, takes it away. Holcomb underneath the basket. To the basket. Tony De La Cruz. Yes! That's a TM3 from Tony De La Cruz. And the lead is down to 4. 29 seconds to go. Back Kagiwa. Hinabol na wala palpal. Eric Beck gets it back. There's a foul called on Tony De La Cruz.
What a block from Willie Miller.
Yeah, talaga namang hinabol ni Willie Miller yun. At eto kamaya pa si Mark Kagiwa at Willie Miller.
Itong mga free throw na to nagiging importante bigla mula kay Eric Meck. He split the last one. He splits again. That will open the door para sa Aces. And he misses the front end.
Aba, delikado yan. Hindi pa nakakasiguro ito. 23 seconds to go. 4-point lead for Barangay Ginebra.
May timeouts pa itong Alaska.
As they call it 95-90. Exciting at to the very end. Ang labanang ito ng Barangay Ginebra at ang Alaska Aces. We have a timeout. We'll be right back.
Ma'am, baka gusto mo na mag-start.
Wala pa nga ka-date ko. Paano ako mag-start?
Start pa ang problema. Mag-Outlast Maintenance Free Battery ka. Start agad. Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad.
Ito, namnamin natin kung gaano ka-importante itong larong ito. Ang mananalo rito, pasok na sa quarters. Yung matatalo, dadaan ng wild card. Yan, kaya naman nakita ninyo kung paano na lamang nagkukumahog ang dalawang kupulang ito, Jason.
At yung wild card natin, kung di ako nagkakamali, magsisimula na yan kaagad promptly on Wednesday. So that means, if you're the team involved in this game, wala ka ng pahinga. Tuloy-tuloy na yun.
Right.
From today, laro ka ng dalawang wild card game. If you win both games, then you have to go through the best of 3 in the quarterfinals and then best of 7 sa semis, best of 7 ulit sa finals.
Masyado maraming komplikasyon eh.
Oo, sawa ka sa laro.
Oo, pero ang gusto mo, syempre, dumiretso ka na dun sa patutunguhan mo. Puno na po yung semis, Air 21, at saka ang Red Bull, nandyan na po. So, quarter sa pinaglalabanan dito. 23 seconds to go. 5-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. Nasa Alaska ang bola. Willie Miller against Eric Mick. Miller pa rin. Kumawala. Ay! Nabitawan! Pero teka. Sa Alaska pa rin ang bola. Coach Joey Chico is...
Yeah, but that possession really took a long time para sa Aces. They can take advantage here. Ginebra not knowing where their man is.
Ito, Holcomb titira ng throw! Wala.
Pero diretso na naman yung tigata ni Holcomb.
Dami kinabahan. And with 8.6 seconds to go, Ginebra by 5, a foul, and that will send Chris Alexander to the line
Yeah, possession of Alaska. Of course, they wanted to make a basket no matter what. But ang haba, bago sila na-open o tumira si Willie Miller. Then now, time down to under 9 seconds.
And the first by Alexander is good. And it's now a 6-point lead. One more para kay Alexander. 8 seconds to go. 97-90. At sabi nga natin, hanggang sa kadulu-duluhan, mga kaibigan, nakikita natin ang pagsusumikap ng dalawang koponan na makuha itong labang ito. But Barangay Ginebra definitely looking good with 8 seconds to go. We'll be right back.
We were all aware that there was this storm approaching, and to be frank, I wasn't worried about it. No one at work was worried about it.
It sounds like the war of the world.
Mother Nature has a will of its own, and at the end of the day, she'll do whatever she wants.
Alright, balik tayo dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City with 8.6 seconds remaining. 17 ang Barangay Ginebra over Alaska. Sa mga kaibigan nating tausog, maulo-ulo ka mo doon, mga kapagayan sa Tawi-Tawi. Assalamualaikum. And Chris Alexander as the magic man for Barangay Ginebra. Meron silang dinaan ng ibang mga dalawa pang ibang import, pero si Chris Alexander has given them the impetus here in the elimination round. Jason?
After Rashawn Turner and Ernest Brown, it was an earnest turnaround since dumating si Chris Alexander.
That's right. Pero pa sa possession ngayon ang Alaska Aces, at least one. At sila mag-inbound. They're down by 7. 8 seconds to go. Tony De La Cruz gets it over to Holcomb. He will fire a 3. Wala. And Chris Alexander takes hold of the rebound, and Barangay Ginebra is in the quarterfinal round after an anemic start here in the Smart Fiesta Conference. Bigla po nabuhay ang Barangay Ginebra at sila pa ang nakapasok sa quarterfinal round at the expense of the game. Alaska Aces. At Chris Alexander, masayang-masaya. Pinati pa niya yung refereeing sinisigawan niya kanina. Samantala, yan po ating final score. 97 for Barangay Ginebra, Alaska 90. At ang ating Gatorade game turning point in this game. Alam natin, na dikit na dikit po yung laban. Makailang ulit pong nag-attempt itong Alaska Aces na makabalik. Pero ito ang parang gumiba talaga sa kanila, no? Yung layup ni Mark Kagiwa. That's our Gatorade game turning point, brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you? All right. Best player natin, Jason.
We're going to go with Junti Valenzuela. It was a team effort mula sa Barangay Ginebra. A lot of people chipping in. Pero kay Junti, personal confidence niya. That means that's his best performance so far in a Ginebra uniform. And he did it in style, only missing 2 field goals in that game.
Alright, at tapos na po ang ating elimination round. Ito yung ating playoffs picture, Jason.
Eto na, malinaw na talaga ngayon dahil magkakaroon na tayo ng knockout for the wild card. It's Alaska that joins the wild card.